Billy, behave yourself. Billy, calm down. Billy, calm down, Billy. Baby, just please. Billy, calm down. Billy.
Oh man.
Ah, get him, Walker! Get him! I'm dying! Save me! Jump right move. Oh! He's coming! Run!
They just reach home, you know. Yo, what am I calling about?
Oh, baby, hey! What's going on?
Yo, where you at?
Where you at, though? No, I'm just washing some rice. Remember, you know, the last time I make some rice, you told me to always wash the rice properly. How much time me tell you say I know so you wash rice? Me soap I figure wash you and look where you're there. No, baby, there's more left to do your laundry. You know what? Me nah get mad. You cook your rice, you eat your rice, me no want none. You don't have to eat it. I will eat it and we have guests, so he will eat it.
Your mom's a bitch!
How would that? Listen, he's my cousin and I'm babysitting him for the weekend. It's only 2 days. So why you never call me and tell me say I come here? Why you never ask me? Baby, I don't have to ask your permission for everything. Don't I pay rent here too? How long am I going there for? He's staying here for the weekend, 2 days. You got to live with it. Hello? Ah! Billy, you don't hear somebody talking to you?
Can't you see I'm playing the game?
Billy, stop being stubborn. Get up and come around here, come say hi.
Okay.
And I'm not saying it to you again.
Can't even play the fucking game in peace, man. I wanna go fucking home.
Baby. Hello there, sir. Billy, this is Babe. Babe, this is Billy. Billy? Oh! Babe, I saw him love play. He's just playing with you, babe.
I made him French. He's a pussy.
You too serious. Billy, cut it out.
Big pussy.
Listen me. You're not gonna come in at me house and disrespect me and cuss in front of me, you know.
He's not gonna talk to me like that.
Billy, calm down. Billy, calm down. Me don't know where you think you grow up and come here, so. Him now go come in at me house, come talk to me like this. Babe, calm down. You listen. You know, say, look how me there good. And you bring crosses coming at me house. You bring.
You gonna call me a fucking.
Billy, no cursing.
Get my fucking car! Get my. Oh man, cause you lucky.
Don't say nothing to him. Billy, calm down.
You know what? I'm gonna play my fucking game.
You won't leave me alone! Alright, Billy. Babe, don't pay too much attention to it. That's how he is. That's Billy.
And don't interrupt my game again.
Alright, Billy, okay.
Pick me up, guys. I got kicked from the lobby.
Me I go upstairs, and when me come back, me no want him here. No, babe, it's nothing like that. I tell you, I'm only watching him for the weekend, and then he's gone in 2 days. People coming at me house to beat me. Me I go upstairs, and when me come back, me no want.
Count your fucking days.
Coordinates sent. Hit them.
I'm in the game.
Good copy. Strike inbound.